Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we will create a glowing arrow design using stroke path. Begin by drawing an arrow shape using the pen tool, then choose a bright soft brush for the glowing effect. Also set brush size based on how thick you want the arrow line. Right click the path and select stroke path. Choose brush to apply your glowing arrow line and also add outer glow for the extra shine. Duplicate the layer to intensify the brightness and add a green overlay to give the arrow a multicolor glow. Increase the size in outer glow for stronger lighting. Use Ctrl+T to adjust the arrow shape perfectly. This works great for motions, graphics and posters. Try